Today we are going to tell you about such a shocking piece of news which right now has become a topic of discussion all over the world. Israel, which has always been proud of its power, its modern technology, and the strongest defense system, today the same Israel is seen trapped in a strange situation. In recent days, some such videos have come out which have put a big question mark on the Israel air power and defensive system. In these videos, it can clearly be seen that Israel's famous Iran demo, which Israel used to proudly show to the world has its strength, is completely falling to stop incoming missiles. Missiles fired by the enemy are falling directly onto Israel cities. Because of this, not only are the buildings getting destroyed, but a wave of the fear have also spread among the Israel people. Seeing these videos, not are Israel own people worried, but defense experts all over the world are also stunned, asking why the system which has thought out to be unbeatable is falling like this today. Israel Iran demo is actually an automatic missile defense system. It was specially made to target and destroy small and medium range rockets fired from Gaza when they are still in the air. Israel has spent billions on this system, and it also has the best technology in the world. Besides this, Israel also has more defense systems like the David Sling and Arrow. These can destroy missiles coming from far away right in their path. But now the scenes that are being seen are proving that Israel's strong defense is no longer fully reliable. In recent videos, there is also a sense where Israel defense system tries to stop a missile, but the missile explodes in the air and its pieces fall down into areas like cities, bodily demand homes, shops, and streets. Similarly, in another scene, it is shown that the enemy fired drones of missiles at once. Because of this, Israel Iran demo could not stop all the missiles together, and many missiles directly fall onto residential areas. According to defense experts, there are many reasons for this. One big reason is that when a very large number of missiles are fired at the same time, Israel's system cannot stop all of them together because each missile is tracked separately and this takes same time. During this, if more missiles come, then the system gets overloaded and some missile encamped. The second reason experts give is that no Israel enemy countries like Iran and Hezbollah, they have made their missile so advanced that they succeed in fooling Israel radar and defense system. Some missiles even change their path in the air, because of which Israel system finds it hard to track them again. And in this time the missile reach their targets. A third reason is also being told the some technical faults have developed in the Israel defense system. The scene small on the outside, but at the critical moment they affect the whole system. For example, some reports have told that there was some error left in the Israel software update. Because of this, some rockets could not be detected on the time and they come straight down into cities. Besides this, Israel own media is also accept that no their cities not trust their defense system the way they used to, because when again and again enemy missile come into the cities and shops and causes destruction, then obviously people will be afraid. For a Palestine residents group and countries like Iran, this situation is very beneficial because now they can openly show the world that cracks have started in appear in the Israel wall that was thought to be unbreakable. And this is not only encouraging for them, but it also gives them a reason to fire even more missiles at Israel. Experts also say that this situation can increase tension in the whole region even more because when attacks keep happen on Israel and its defense system keep failing again and again, then the Israel might be forced to give a big military response and the could light on fire across the whole Middle East. Israel is now trying to make its defense system even better. It is moving toward due regard and interceptor missile because on artificial intelligence. So the incoming missile can be detected even the faster than before and can be destroyed in the air. But doing of all will take time, and during this time, Israel may have to face more danger and missile attack. In the end, if we look at the whole situation, then it becomes clear that today the same Israel that has always proud of the defense power today itself seen catch in the defense system. Now we seen it coming days how Israel upgrade this system and whatever it can make the world believe again that its defense system reality it is unbeatable or it enemies takes advantage of and push it into even more defensive thought. What do you think? Is Israel defense system really falling or is this all just temporary? Do tell us your valuable opinion in the comments.